what's up guys? It's me again, Joanne. So I'm back here in the ocean to get a shell, and I'm not alone. I'm with my friend Moy Moy and Apis, and later on my brother will come too. He just something to do to repair his house. So yes, I'm the one who get now. So let's start the game. So let's start guys to get the shell. So I get shell guys. This one I get 4. Guys, I found a big shell, and I want to show you guys. Look. This is what I found guys. Yeah. Finally. I get more. So the 2 girls, they get sea urchin, so they can eat too. Look, the sea urchin into all this. Yeah. So they put in the bag there, and they will get more sea urchin. So update guys, update. I have lots of shells now. Not like the last time. And I'm with my brother now. There he is. Yeah. So I will get more and more guys. So big wave. Oh my god. So I will go home now guys, because I feel so cold. And then I will clean this after I take a bath. And then I cook this one too. So now guys, I'm done taking a bath, as you see. So now I clean the shell that I get. And look guys, it's so many. That one guys, as there another one. So I will clean this first, so it will be not dark when I cook the water, the soap. And then, yeah. So first guys, we get water from the seawater. Then we put here, because we clean this one. And this is the big one that I get. Wow. Yummy. And then we do this guys, because we need to clean this. And it's so many guys, as you see. The 3 big one. Yeah. So see guys, the water was so dirty, so that's why I need to clean the shell. So this is guys the shell that I get. It's so many. So this is our ingredients guys. Again, the malunggay, the lemongrass, yes, I will put this time, and the onion, and then the ginger, and the garlic. Now we cut the onions. the garlic. So we need to careful so so your finger will be not cut. And then you put, and then the ginger. Done. Now guys, we cook now. So we put oil. We put the garlic first. Other people, they will start cook the onions, but me, I will cook first the garlic. So we put again, we put the onion. So we need to cook this first too. And then the ginger. Wow, it smells so good. Oh my God. I miss cooking adobo. But next time I will cook adobo again. Because I miss it. Because when my boyfriend visit me, we always cook adobo. Maybe and dinner, like lunch, because he like my adobo the way I cook. As you see in my video in YouTube, I already upload it, and you can watch, guys. Put water. We put 2 cups of water. 2. We put the lemongrass because we need that, and then we need to wait to boil the water. Then if the water boiled already, we put the shells. So now guys, the water is already boiled. So we put the shell now. Ouch! Oh my God. A lot of shell. And then we put to the malunggay. Put the malunggay now. So we need to wait again to boil the water. But first of all, I will put seasoning. Chick sarap. Let me taste it. I think I need more salt. Let me taste again. It's good. So we wait to boil the water again, guys. Okay. So guys, the soup is already done. So we eat now. We mukbang the shell that I get. So let's eat. So we eat now. And I will eat the big one. So let's try.
Go, 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 go. Magkaon ko.
Ibagay. Punutan mo ka haon.
Dawa ano mo lang kinasunduan. Apa lang kinasunduan? Dapat tidak kumpuan. Di ba niya?
Di ka mo gamit nga ni.
Kuan malag tidak ko kanang kuan.
Guys. Makita ka.
Di ba?
Malamisa.
There is more.
Kaya.
What?
Kung dito hubutan na.
Yan na oh.
Hubo kaya.
Ay, Diyos, mama, pamakuan na naman.
Lagi ba ako gubot?
Gamay ka ayo.
Left? Left?
Small guys, small. This still small, but it's good, guys.
Left?
And it's good because it's free.
Ay magdagog.
Wala. Nakawala. Man.
It's so hot. And you have fish, fried fish.
Yummy!
It's yummy, Bridget. Yummy?
Good!
Good.
Yummy!
Yummy.
Ala, di makuha.
You like it, na?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Yala. Yaya. Di makuha. Kuha. Kuha, abe. Abe.
Huwag di makuha yun. Nakuha labog na.
Nakawala. Di kaya may lame.
Ay may doon nga ito doon.
Kaikan ko.
It is so good that you eat together with your family. But my father's not here because he's still not home because I don't know. maybe his boss asked again to drink, so that's why my father's still not home.
Nahubog.
Oh, pipili. Ito ay putigtan na ako to.
Ano mo?
Magungkwa. Yan, ay paglagwa jo. Yan, tinaw na naman gawas na.
Thank you. I'm finished.
Are you full, Berje?
Yes.
Yes.
Too hot, guys.
Huh?
Good, good.
It's free and yummy.
Yummy.
Dili ka po na pod. Dirahan na, magawas na.
Magawas na kanon.
Mm.
Ano ba hawla?
Oo, do. Sige, nagsubiram dyan.
Lapala.
Ay, luto kami din. Luto.
Tuso pa no. Kaya namin dodo. Hindi yung ito.
The rice is no more.
Ini, do, mabin.
And it's easy to get this, and it's easy to cook, and it's so yummy. Yes, yummy. Ah. I just forgot. This is so good. Oh, what they call it? About? There's no sauce. So soap, please.
Ha? Kaya gamay pa.
Another rice. More rice. Huh? Mm.
Kaya sodi ang kuan.
Oh, sabaw Noy. 40? Ah! Bebe! Ang papa na naman tinaibilin. Guys, we all done it, the dinner, and we are full. So, I will end up the video and see you in my next video, guys. So, bye-bye!